Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll be mastering how to add attachments from Google Drive into Asana, your 2025 complete guide. Now, let's dive right in. The first step is to locate and open your Asana project. This is your starting point from where you'll be adding an attachment from Google Drive. It's important because it helps you organize your attachments in the right place. Next up, within your specific project, you'll need to find the task or conversation to which you want to add the attachment. This helps us because by pinpointing where our attachment will go, we're ensuring it's easily accessible to the team members who need it. Now that we've done that, look for the paperclip icon, usually found at the top or bottom of your screen. Clicking this icon is how you initiate the attachment process. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. When you click this icon, Asana opens up an interface that allows you to choose where you're going to fetch your attachment from. The reason we do this is to select Google Drive as our source of attachment. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to sign in to your Google account if you aren't already. This step is crucial because it allows Asana to securely access your Google Drive files. Once you're signed in, you'll now be able to browse your Google Drive files. Locate the file you want and select it. This is where the magic happens. Asana and Google Drive are now talking to each other, fetching the selected file ready to be added to your Asana task or conversation. After you've chosen your file, click on Upload. Asana then adds the file as an attachment to your selected task or conversation. This is the final step in the process, and it's essential because it's at this point that your Google Drive file officially becomes part of your Asana project. And voila, you've successfully added an attachment from Google Drive in Asana. It's a simple, straightforward process that can significantly enhance your project management and team collaboration within Asana. That's it for today's tutorial. Remember, integrating tools like Google Drive with Asana can streamline your workflow and make project management a breeze. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to help you get the most out of Asana. Thanks for watching.